We would like to thank you for purchasing our own car brake lathe. At first, please dismantle all tires and put it at the safety place. Lift the car to the level which higher than the driver unit. Adjust the height by turning the handle under the driver unit. Dismantle bolt from brake caliper. And hang up by using X-hoop to avoid damage of oil pipe during operation. Checking the wheel's bearing gap distance if exceeded, and also checking the brake disc thickness according to the manufacturer specification. Fix the rubber ring onto the outer edge of brake disc to limit the level of vibration and noise. This is very important. Mount the driver adapter on one of the wheel. There are two types of screws, threaded and without thread. Select the right mounting caliper and use one hand to hold the disc and push upward until mounting caliper fully held by the disc. Fix the bolt to the disc at about 50 IB torque. After fixing the mounting screw, the lathe can be easily moved in and out from the mounting bracket. When installed the lathe, make sure the bearer should be running to the disc center. The holding bolt and the lathe fixing bolt should be 30 IB torque and the lathe disc should be running on the same X. Tighten the hexagon bolt by hexagon key at 30 IB torque. Make sure that the discs of driving unit are the same level of the alignment. Adjusting the driving unit on the stand and put the drive pole into adapter. Turn out the protect cover. This is the emergency power switch. Please select the turning direction before switch on. See arrow on the brake lathe. Turning the hand wheel by hand until the lift gutter contact the top of disc on the surface. Or switch on the lathe and moving the gutter until here the lathe gutter contacts the surface of brake disc. Turning 2 steps equal to 0.1 millimeters operate by hand and lathe the disc until both sides are flattened, manually turning the lathe bit to the maximum distance. Unlock the hand wheel by turning the knob on the wheel. Reduce the lathe bit by turning clockwise half step. Switch on the lathe power and the lathe will be returned to standby position.